All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? Again, 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 again.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we have
Anna K in the building.
yes, and today I decided to include her in the video because I wanted to try out this Bushy brow soap brow tutorial. But I wanted to include her because she has more like a different brow, more just she has a more defined eyebrow and I have a more like bushy brow. So I just wanted to include her into the video so we can really test to see how this works. So we're going to be following Klaudia's makeup. Klaudia, big up yourself anywhere you come from. Big up yourself. So guys, just continue watching the video and enjoy. That's all I'm gonna say. Enjoy, because
we snatch.
we're like into the video and recording and everything went well. But anyway, and it wasn't like the audio wasn't there.
Sad.
Yeah, so sad. Cause the more but we captured certain stuff, so we can do like a voiceover with video in screen and so forth, so you can know about it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how I do my brows. So brows to be exact. And we're gonna need some water. I'm just gonna use a setting spray because I'm that lazy. And I'm gonna let it soak in. And this is the most common mistake I see when people are doing soap brows. So this is basically my paste. And I'm gonna take off the excess. Like this. I'm just pushing my spoolie. And I need just a bit.
So guys, look at us like two amateurs trying to get this thing right.
Now I'm just gonna brush my hair up. I'm gonna take a bit more. And now I'm gonna really push the product into my brows. I also like to use a clean spoolie to just brush through my hair. Sometimes when I have really stubborn hair, I'm just gonna use a spoolie like this.
Okay guys, so at this point my brows are looking bald, before and after. Before and after. Oh, sure I'm gonna suffer. Okay, so right now, Klaudia, she went ahead and she lined her brows because her brows weren't, it didn't really have any shape. So she had to line it, and that's exactly what I have to do because my brows at this point doesn't have any shape or void. Well, the brows are pretty much in place, They are not as how I am used to my brows, but let's see the end result, I don't know, some have the good girl brows, so well, the good girl brows. Okay then. Yeah, she was just acting a fool in the video, talking about the good brows and the good brows and all of that, and my brows are bushy and all of that. But we ignored all of that and we just moved on with the video because the video had to go on. So guys, at this point I was like looking at my brows. I'm like, why do my brows look so weird? But I was like trying to get it as defined as possible.
The last step is to fill in the gaps, and I'm gonna use Anastasia Berry Hills Brow Duo Powder in the shade Soft Brown. I wanna keep it light, so I'm gonna use only this side.
So yes guys, so we don't have Anastasia Beverly Hills, so I went in with my NYX Love Contours All palette because it has a brow shade, and we started filling in the brows and it was coming together. Like, I really love the strokes at the front and the soap actually did that. Cause like if I use like a brow pencil or something to try to do the strokes, they just erase. I don't know why. And what do you think about your brows?
Well, mine wasn't, you know, it never meet my expectation, but it was coming along, and I was just trying to be patient and just move along.
And you know, while I'm looking at my brows now, uh, the video, I realized how defined my brows were. But in the video, I'm like thinking that maybe, oh gosh, this needs a little bit more like a concealer or something to just make it a little bit sharper. Cause you know, I am for the sharp snatch kind of brow. Yeah, and my brows were like so stiff, it was moving.
Yeah, because you pierce it.
So I was just checking hers if it was the same.
So this is before and this is after.
Yes, guys. So as you can see, our before and after is lovely. But you know what? We are extra, so we are going to go in with something extra. Yes, we're gonna go in with the concealer, and I'm going to mix LA Girl in chestnut and Color Pop in dark 52, and she's just going to use fawn.
Yeah, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. And as you can see, I'm just lining. Yeah, well, nothing extra. Like when I'm doing my real good girl brows.
Yeah, the good girl square brows.
Don't bad man.
Not bad, man. Are you a regular thing that square eyebrows?
Me just like when my brows them sharp and nice.
Yeah, and I like when my brows are sharp, but I don't really like when they look too squarish. Yeah, they look too like geometry.
I don't understand when you talk about squarish.
No, I mean like
Brows them always neat and I always get compliments.
yeah, but they're always they're always like too sharp and too square and too unnatural.
You have to recognize my face no structure like your own, and if you notice my eyebrow is very arch, it almost goes straight up in my forehead.
Yeah, that's the reason why I don't have to make it too snatched. So, oh, guys, I'm showing you my before and my after. Snatched, but at the same time, look at my brow hairs.
So this is before.
But I love it, guys. And look at hers.
Not what I used to,
But I like it. I love that brow, and I think you should continue doing your brows like that.
girl, bye.
Yeah, because look at it. It looks like her natural.
So guys, yes, we're like into the video and recording and everything went well. But anyway, and it wasn't like the audio wasn't, you know, there.
Sad.
Yeah, so sad. Cause you know the more but we captured certain stuff, so we can do like a voiceover with video in screen and so forth, so you can know about it. Not the voiceover, we're gonna do video over. So we're just gonna do it one more time with the next brow. Right. So the same thing, just use the brush. Ooh. Allow it to soak in, and then just use the brush and like so. And the young girl should never they'll take her time out. There you go. Next brow. The brow, the eyebrow is thicker than the first one. You're just going to press it. Press it. Yeah. But you notice I don't have any tail end for this brow, and this brow is a little bit weird in terms of the shape. Nice. Okay. Nice. So this is the next brow. This is her brow. We're just gonna breeze through this because we already did the first brow, and we're just gonna do everything that we did earlier on. I'm going to start to fill in with the powder. Yes.
So I'm guessing maybe if we use like if we use the transparent soap, maybe we wouldn't get the little white thing.
Yeah.
That's coming up. I really, really like these girls. So I'm going to try to see if I can get one of those transparent soap. And yeah. I'm gonna get into the powder now to fill in, and I have to fill out here a lot because I don't have any brow hairs right here. Oh. Wow. Okay guys, so as you can see, the brows are coming together, and I am so, look at my brows, look at my brows, look at my brows. Yeah, so we're just blending away, we're just adding, filling in, doing all of that just to ensure that we get the look that we want. We want to look like, you know, our brows to look like Claudia's. So as you can see, concealer, we're using the concealer, and you know what she did, she added concealer to the top of her brows. I think, do you think that she should have added concealer to the top? I think that
Yes, I think that.
I don't, I never asked you a question. Yeah, I think that she shouldn't have added concealer to the top of the brows,
because my brows them not bushy like your own.
no, but that's the reason why I shouldn't have added
Bushy
it.
like your own. So to add some more dimension and some more curve to my eyebrow, it is needed.
No, but not with the bushy brow tutorial. The bottom of the brow is okay to clean it up, but the top part, I think that she shouldn't have added. Yeah, I know that you never really add enough.
Eventually.
Loving the brows, loving the face, loving everything. Guys,
Snatch.
no foundation. Okay?
No foundation.
No foundation.
Just
No
some
concealer.
powder. Yeah,
Nothing. Just a little powder on the face, a little brightening
And
powder,
of course some glow.
highlighter.
Yes.
Yeah, pretty much. But guys, we are loving the look.
The
Oh my
brows,
gosh.
The brows.
Claudia, thank you so
Girl,
much.
I wasn't
Girl,
feeling it at
I was
first,
looking at the video,
but
and I was like, really? Because like I know that models and celebrities, they normal, or celebrity makeup artists and like models and so forth, they use the soap method for the bushy brows. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm not sure if they use the concealer, but we just decided to go with the concealer because we love to, when the brows have, you know,
define a better extra up, yeah.
But guys, I am loving it.
People,
I am loving it. I really, really
trust
love this,
me.
and I just love
Honestly,
the natural look.
it is really
Sometimes you just have to go with a natural face.
yeah.
Yeah, because look at this, it just turned out so nice, and we didn't do contour and highlight and all of that. We just
Nothing
used
like
powder.
that. Just powder.
And this is it. I mean, this kind of
Trust me.
makeup, it probably won't last for an entire day. So we are going to But yeah guys, this makeup won't last for the entire day, but it can last maybe like 2 hours.
Yeah.
It depends on what we do throughout the day. Because if we just like go out and just while it's cool and just like to an indoor function, then maybe it's gonna be fine. But outdoor function, this makeup is not going to last. Okay,
going to wash off.
it's not going to last, especially in this hot weather. Nah.
Yeah.
But we
the
love
brows.
yeah, the brows,
Honestly,
and they
I
don't.
wasn't feeling it from the beginning,
Yeah.
but after everything, popping on the lashes, adding a little powder, putting on my lip gloss, I was like, damn girl, and these eyebrows, them not move.
Yeah, they don't.
They just stay in place.
Yeah.
And they look natural and just
Nice.
defined and clean.
Yeah, goody. Them
Clean.
just look nice. Them look nice,
Yeah.
guys. They look really, really nice. And I love
Really
mine,
nice.
even though mine is a little bit thicker, but it
Yeah,
still
it
looks
look
like
good, it look neat.
my face, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I we really love this look. And
Claudia,
we don't
big up yourself.
yeah, big up yourself, Claudia. Big up yourself, Claudia.
Yeah,
Anywhere you
Lord.
come from, anywhere you come from, big up yourself. We
Yeah,
love it. We
welcome
love
to Black
it.
Girls,
We
yeah.
love it. We love it.
Yeah.
We really love it, guys.
Yeah,
So
I'm feeling it.
if you love this video, guys, don't
Like,
forget to like, subscribe, and share
this video.
Yes, guys.
Yes.
And her channel,
My channel just Anna
Anna
K.
K.
Williams. Yeah, like, subscribe, and share all my videos.
yeah, and my channel, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, yeah, I
Really
already
appreciate
did that already.
But guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Oh, thank you again. Big up yourself, Claudia.
Anywhere you come from.
Your love.
All the choices you made, did you make them?